Hi guys, I am Sonal and today I am sharing the recipe for my 3 favorite marshmallow cookie combinations. Trust me, you will fall in love at first bite. If you find my videos useful, please do like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So let's get started. The first one are these mint and chocolate marshmallow cookies. These cookies are seriously the makings of a match made in heaven. The other one is ALPHONSO mango marshmallow cookies. I'm just obsessed with mangoes, so I just love them. And the last one is bubblegum marshmallow cookies. These little delights feel like you are in a candy store. These cookies will bring back your childhood memories. If you are looking for a unique, quick cookie that tastes amazing and you can make it ahead of time, these marshmallow cookies are it. I think they are actually better after they cool and set. A little while ago, I made s'more cookies where I added all the s'more ingredients to my classic vanilla cookie dough and they turned out delicious. But I wanted marshmallows with different cookie combinations. And see what I did there? I thought, what if I stuffed a marshmallow inside a cookie with different combinations? And you know what? I'm so glad I did. And by the way, mint and chocolate is my favorite combination. This combination is a must try. These cookies are extremely soft when they are hot from the oven, but as they cool down, the marshmallow resets. It turns the ooey gooey cookies into deliciously soft and chewy cookie. The other thing I love about these cookies is how fast they are to make. If you have any queries for this recipe, share it in the comment section below. I hope you enjoy these fun marshmallow cookies as much as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Bye!